Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for FIFA 20 Champions Edition on the Xbox One. So I've literally just got back from the midnight launch with this. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. Love the FIFA series. So yeah, obviously as you can see, it's Virgil van Dijk on the front. So yep. This side. And there's the back. Break new ground. From the streets to the stadium. A lot of football. The world's game of FIFA Ultimate Team. And then all your licensed leagues there. It is Xbox One X enhanced in 4K Ultra HD. And the install size is up to 50 gig. And inside we have the disc and we have the Champions Edition content, which is all that there. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of FIFA 20 Champions Edition on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and catch you later. Bye bye.